Yeah, hi, it's Stuart from Top Shelf. Today we're going to be discussing the key points when selecting the correct levelling cement or patching compound. So the first point is, are you going over timber or concrete? The second point would be, what sort of primer do you need? Are you going to go over a porous or a non-porous surface? Number 3, how thick do you need the product to go? Number 4, what are you putting over it? Timber, vinyl, carpet, laminate, another key point. Number 5, how fast do you need this product to go off? So once you've given us all that information, generally we can find you the best product for the job. Now, probably the most important part of any levelling cement, which Mapei have made really easy, is you need to use the correct amount of water, and these buckets are fantastic. So you'll see the wide range of difference. Products like Ultra Clean Fast Track use 5.2 litres of water. UC Leveller, 3.6 litres of water. Huge difference. Generally the thing that does get mistaken a lot of the time. So when mixing your levelling cement, you would use the right amount of water, put all the water into the bucket, and then grab your bag of levelling cement and then pour it in like a third at a time. And then while you're going, now generally it's this type of D-type mixer, not your paint type mixer, on the end of a drill, mixing it up until all the lumps are out. Use either a bit of trim or a trowel, scrape out the perimeter, make sure you've got all the product in there. So nice and simple. There's other type of helix type mixers which go onto some other type of larger two-hand type of jobs. So great products. Now some other additional tools that you might want. Spiky rollers, they can help blend in where you've done smaller pours or bucket by bucket at a time. Spiky shoes can allow you to walk over the product and get back to any little imperfections, or you might have to clean up around some skirting boards, for example. Gauge rakes and trowels, these are great for going over tiles and other things where you can actually set the height. These are adjustable and drag a product over, leaving just the amount of product that you want to leave there. So make sure wherever you get your levelling cements from, those 5 key points, if you don't know those, you're not asking the right questions, you mightn't always get the right product. So thanks for watching. We'll keep putting some more content out there every week. And the next video you'll be watching is someone using some Ultra Plan so you can see it step by step. Thanks again.